Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to talk about for each loop. Here if I go to a W3 school, here you can see for each loop. So this is the syntax. Copy it and let's create a new file for it, and here I will say for each loop.cpp. paste it here. Now let's comment out all of them. So this is the structure for each loop. We have to write like for loop, and then we have to use the conditional statement and using parenthesis, right? First parenthesis, then type, then variable name, then colon, then the array name. So first of all we need to actually declare here an array name. Let's say I want to show some value and I want to store them in an array. So here I'm going to say integer number. So number is an array, and here I'm going to initialize the value, and let's say first value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, let's say. Okay, and now I want to show them. So for each I have to say for, then type. So my variable, I mean array size, sorry, variable type is integer, right? So I'll say here int, then let's say any random variable, x, y, or I. Okay, so any random variable, so I, and here I will say I. Okay, then we have to use colon, right? Then our array name, and that is number, and this I will actually work as index number, okay, for this array, number array. That's it. And then here I have to say cout, and let me just return here 0, and here I'm going to say I, and I will go here, I will use \t. All right, that's it. Now if I run the code, let's see what will happen. Here you can see all the value 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. We don't have to actually initialize the array length also, right? I mean size of array also. I mean this is the easiest way to actually run a loop. Here you can see we just have to initialize the variable and then the array, and in between them we have to use colon. That's it. And okay, let me give you an assignment, and that is, let's say I want to print here string, okay, string name. So here I want to actually print some names, so name string, so we have to actually keep them inside double quotation, right? So first of all, let's say Yamin, then I want to say here, let's say Tanvir, then let's say Wasi. All right, I will say for each. Okay, so I'll say int I, and actually I want to comment out them, so you have to tell me that what is the problem here, if there is any error or not. Okay, so I'll say here name, and then say cout, let's say I, then name, sorry, \t, let's say. All right, so now tell me if there is any error or not. So I'm going to count down 5 seconds. You should answer me in the comment section. So you just have to find out the error and let me know in the comment section. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so here is the error, integer. If I remove it, here you can see we got an error here. Why? Because our array is string type, right? But when we are using for each loop, we are actually initializing data type as integer, but we can't actually do it. Why? Because our array type is a string, so we have to use here exactly same array type, and that is string. And now there is no problem. If I run the code, it will actually show me all the results. Here you can see Yamin, Tanvir, Wasi. So that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.